I'm Rachel, I'm a third year designer. I study at Goldsmiths, University of London. I'm staying with my parents in Salisbury and my studio is now their dining room.
What?
Oh no, hang on, that's the other way round. Their dining room is now my studio. My graduate project is called Project Espionage Designed to Deceive. It is a designed investigation into the lives of spies in Vauxhall. I would say there are a couple of outcomes for this project. Firstly, there is an archive of over 100 posters that I made during lockdown. These are collages of narratives that I collected in Vauxhall and my own personal narratives. I've also created a set of instructions that anyone can follow to make a collage using CCTV data. I would say the pandemic has definitely changed my graduate project. My entire project is focused on Vauxhall, this very specific location in London where MI5 and MI6 have both their headquarters, and I haven't been able to visit that location physically since March, so I've been having to use CCTV cameras and other ways of infiltrating that space. It's been really difficult working without the university's technical support, although it has helped me to become a little bit more experimental. I've had to look for and use materials that I found around. I don't think we've had to produce less work. I think our course has had quite high expectations of us, so we've just had to adapt to everything that's going on. I wish that someone had told me that the workshops were going to close in March. I definitely would have spent more time trying to learn from all of the technicians and all the students around me and making the most of Goldsmiths' facilities. I think apart from my dog and friends and family, one thing that's really helped me has been podcasts. I've used them to learn more about my field of investigation, so learning more about espionage, but also to distract me from everything that's going on in the world around me. I think one big positive to take away from this is I now understand a little bit more about what it's like to be a freelancer, to work on your own and not be surrounded by other designers. And also I think it's helped us to become more experimental as we've had to use the materials that we found around our homes. I think for me one of the main challenges of showing my work online is that I've always focused on things that are quite tactile, and I wanted to use more analogue and more physical processes for this project, and that's been really difficult. So I've actually posted work to tutors to make sure that they can see and feel it. I hope that once lockdown is over I can move back to London. I'd like to work in the design industry and use the skills that I have developed to help impact or positively impact our society and help combat some of the social and political challenges we are currently facing. Thank you.